When your lawyer walks into court only to find out you've fired him on the spot, that's not a courtroom twist you see every day. But in Kenya's most gripping murder case right now, that's exactly what happened. Let's unpack the legal drama surrounding the late MP Ware's murder and why businessman Philip Aroko has decided to go solo in court. In a surprising courtroom moment at JKIA Law Courts, businessman and political figure Philip Aroko dismissed his legal team, including top city lawyers Danstan Omari and Philip Ombeta. Yes, you heard that right. Aroko told the court he no longer needs them. He's choosing to represent himself in one of the most high-stakes murder cases in the country. His exact words, "I will act for myself." This decision came just 2 days after Aroko turned himself in to the DCI. He had been named a person of interest in the brutal killing of Kasipul MP Charles Ongondo Were. Now here's where things get intense. The prosecution claims that Aroko may have played a major financial role in planning and financing the assassination. They allege that he was involved in strategic meetings held in Nairobi, Homa Bay, and Nakuru. Investigators are pouring through his mobile phone records and bank transactions, looking for links between Aroko and the alleged hitmen. They believe his financial dealings may hold the missing puzzle piece. The prosecution had asked for a 30-day detention, saying they needed more time to go through phone data, financial records, and to protect key witnesses. But Principal Magistrate Irene Nichobi thought otherwise. She granted only 7 days, citing Aroko's voluntary surrender and the fact that he doesn't appear to be a flight risk. The magistrate was firm, reminding the prosecution that the court won't grant lengthy detentions unless absolutely necessary. That ruling means detectives now have a tight deadline to dig up compelling evidence. But what does it really mean when someone decides to represent themselves in such a serious case? Legal experts say it's rare and often risky. Aroko may be trying to control the narrative or even to delay proceedings. Others argue he's making a bold statement. "I'm not afraid because I've got nothing to hide." Still, this courtroom move raises eyebrows. Why cut ties with the legal team known for their courtroom brilliance? Could there be tension behind the scenes? Is Aroko betting on public sympathy or just trying to slow the legal machine? This case is bigger than just one man. The murder of MP Were has shaken the political class and left the Kasipul constituency demanding answers. The pressure is on for law enforcement to solve this case fairly, swiftly, and transparently. And now, with Aroko walking this road alone, all eyes will be on what the evidence truly reveals. Now listen, when a suspect ditches a legal powerhouse like Omari and says, "I will speak for myself," it could mean two things: confidence or desperation. Either way, it's bold. But in a murder trial, bold doesn't always win. The law loves evidence, not theatrics. So as we watch this story unfold, let justice lead the way, not drama. But hey, this is Kenya, and courtrooms can be just as dramatic as politics. You are watching Sauti Mzalendo, where the voice of the people meets the truth of the moment. Keep it locked.